From deployment perspective, we offer several options. The first one that you see here is the enterprise SaaS. This is a multi-tenant system we have installed in AWS. And when you open an account for free and you start a free trial, you're on that system. And if you just put in a credit card and start using the system, that's where your system is. And we have many customers and many networks using it. You create an account, so you get a multi-tenant account, as I described before, but there are many, many other accounts running in the same environment. It means that it's our logo, our look and feel. About company is about flexiWAN. Domain is manage.flexiwan.com, so everything is flexiWAN. This is the great place to start. Extremely cost effective, easy to start, easy to get going. The second option is under what we call the service provider. And here we have two options, which one of them is the main one that people are using. That's called the dedicated environment. Dedicated environment means that we spin up for our customer an isolated environment. It's a big system of many servers, clusters of databases for redundancy and availability, and many other services that need to be included there as well. Okay, and all of this is just for that customer. We put your logo there. It says powered by flexiWAN, but your logo is there. The domain can be your domain, so it can be sdwan.mycompany.com or whatever you would want it to be. And for the customer, it would look much more like yours. The other very important thing is that you are much more in control. So when it's a dedicated environment, you will be synchronizing with us. When exactly do we upgrade the management system for you? It's not like a regular SaaS option that you discover that it's upgraded. We coordinate with you before we upgrade to make sure that it's done at the right time. You can do staging before that in a different environment. So you can have a much more manageable way to do things when you have a dedicated environment, and the cost is still very reasonable, I would say. But there is, of course, a minimum fee per month because we pay a lot also for the hosting, and there's some effort on our end as well. The third option, which is extremely uncommon, is self-hosting, where we help you and we install for you in your private cloud. Basically, I would say there should be an extremely good reason why you need this, because it's more expensive, much more work for you and work for us, and you don't gain much. You actually lose all the automation and stuff that we have in the dedicated environment for resiliency of the system, self-healing, all of those things that we have, monitoring, alerting, all of those things that we have in our system for the dedicated and enterprise SaaS. You're losing many of these things and you need to build them. So you need a very, very good reason why you would want to go for self-hosting. People ask about it. Usually they pick the dedicated environment because it's much better.